I used to sleep for 8 hours, sometimes more, and I'd still wake up drained, dragging myself throughout the day, crashing by 4 p.m., and crave junk to uplift my mood. Then I added three specific foods to my routine, and within weeks, I was almost 60% more energetic. Today, I'm going to tell you exactly what they are, and at the end, two more habits that change everything for me. Stay till the end because the last one is the easiest but most powerful. Let me take you back. A few months ago, my mornings were like alarm buzzing off, hitting snooze 3 times, and even after waking up, I was feeling so low. And on top of that, zero motivation to do anything. And I thought it is just my personality as I'm not a morning person. But deep dive, I knew even when I'm sleeping for 8 hours, something is off that why I'm not feeling active throughout the day. And when I started digging deeper, I found out that sleep was never the problem. It was all about what I was eating and when. So I made three changes to my food. And I want to walk you through each one, what I added, why it works, and how you can start with it. The first thing I did was I stopped starting my day with just chapati and vegetable. That is only carbs. Instead, I started my morning with healthy fats, which included a handful of nuts, almonds, walnuts, and along with that, I included seeds, pumpkin seeds sprinkled over fruit. Why does this matter? See, your brain runs on fat. When you skip that and start your day with chai or coffee, you get a sudden spike in your energy levels, but it crashes way faster. And then you feel laziness. So it's not basically laziness, it's a blood sugar crashing. So these nuts and seeds increase your energy steadily rather than a sudden spike and crash. That brings me to the second change, and honestly, it made the biggest difference. I got my blood work done and find out my iron, ferritin, HB, vitamin D and B12 was low. So that was the reason behind my fatigue, laziness, and honestly, this is so common, especially among women, and we just brush it off as normal tiredness. So what I did was I added moringa powder and black raisins. Moringa is the best source of iron that is plant-based. And pairing it with lemon, it increases the absorption by 2x. Black raisins do the same. They have iron and they also curb the sugar cravings. And within weeks, I noticed my energy was steady. Now, foods don't work alone if rest of my plate is against me. So the third change was about my actual meals. And this one is simple, but most people skip this part. I used to eat 2 chapatis in the morning, 2 chapatis in the afternoon, and 2 chapatis in the dinner. So my meals were loaded with just carbs, without enough protein, without enough fiber. So that is why I used to feel hungry after my meals. So what I changed was I made sure that my every meal has some amount of protein and fiber along with the carbs. And most important, adding probiotics and prebiotics for my gut health. Why? Because protein keeps you fuller for longer time and your gut health directly affects your mood and energy levels. For example, instead of having 2 chapatis and a sabzi in my lunch, I swapped to 1 bowl of dal, 1 chapati, 1 bowl of dal, salad, and soya chunks or paneer, and a buttermilk. So this is how I balanced my plate. And once I did this, my junk food craving stopped significantly. So that was about the food part. There were two more things that I did, and the last one, as I said, even surprised me. The first habit was I used to think that, okay, if I am doing 1 hour of exercise, for example, yoga, gymming, or running, that is enough for me. But it is not about what you do in 1 hour of the 24 hours out of 24 hours. It is what you do in those 23 hours also. Instead of just focusing on 1 hour of exercise, what I did was movement or staying active throughout the day. For example, if I'm working continuously for 40 minutes, then after 40 minutes, I would walk for 10 minutes and do some stretching. And post-meal walk was non-negotiable. The actual term for this is NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. It's basically everything you do that is not just formal exercise, but what do you do throughout the day. And the last habit, it just takes 2 minutes or 5 minutes of yours, but it works wonders. Before I sleep at night and after waking up in the morning, what I did was box breathing and humming deep breath. That's it. A few minutes both times. I have been doing this for few months and the difference isn't just energy levels, but the calmness, the peace, the happiness I got from it. I feel more grateful, more present, less reactive to small things. It actually calmed my nervous system down. So when you put all the things together, that's what took me from feeling drained every day to feeling almost 60% better with my energy levels, productivity, and honestly more happiness. You have been facing any of these issues, I would recommend to start with at least one habit in this week and see the change yourself. Do let me know in the comments which one are you starting with. Hope it was helpful to you.